Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed the values of p functions at multiple and submultiple angles like sine 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, sin x, cos x, tan x. Again, sine 2x in terms of tan x as well as cos 2x in terms of tan x. Now today we will start questions based on this formula. I am doing first question is example 1, page number 9.3. I am reading the question. If sin x equal to 3 by 5, 0 less than x less than pi by 2, that you are given, that means x belongs to first quadrant. Find the values of sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x and sin 4x. We have to find the values of sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x and sin 4x. Now sin x equal to 3 by 5, 0 belongs to x less than 0 less than x less than pi by 2 implies x belongs to first quadrant. That means all values are positive. Now you have to, in order to find sin 2x, the formula is 2 sin x cos x. We have to find the value of cos x. Cos x is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square x, that is under root of 1 minus 9 by 25, that is equal to under root of 16 by 25, that is 4 by 5, since it is positive, since it belongs to first quadrant. Now first one, we have to find the values of tan 2x. For that, first of all, find all the values of single ratio. Tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5, that is equal to 3 by 4. Now first value is sin 2x. Let us find the value of sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. We found the value of sin x and cos x, that is 2 into 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. That means 20 by, let me check, that is sin 2x is 2 3s are 6, 24 by 25. That is first value is we have found out sin 2x equal to 24 by 25. Now cos 2x, you can use, there are number of formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, and we are given the value of sin x, so that we can use this formula. Otherwise you can use the formula also 2 cos square x minus 1, that is up to you. I am using this formula 1 minus, what is sin x you are given? You are given sin x equal to 3 by 5, that is 2 into 3 by 5 whole square. That means 1 minus 18 by 25. Let me check, 3 square 9 into 2, 18 by 25. If you solve it, you will get 7 by 25. That is cos 2x is 7 by 25. Next term is tan 2x. You know, we have found the value of tan x, so that you can use the formula tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. What is the value of tan x that we found? Tan x we found as x by 3 by 4. Tan x, the value of tan x we found in the previous steps as 3 by 4. So that you can use this formula, this value in the place of tan x, that is 2 into 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square, that is 3 by 2 upon 1 minus 9 by 16, that is 3 by 2 upon 16 minus 9, that is 7 by 16. Now if you solve this, you will get 7 by 16. It will cancel 8 times, it will go numerator, that is 24 by 7. That is tan 2x is 24 by 7. Next, the question is not finishing here. Now you are asked to find sin 4x. How we can change sin 4x? Sin 4x can be written in the form of sin 2x as sin 2 into 2x. See, this is of the form sin 2 theta. Theta is 2x, so that you can apply the formula sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Here in the place of x, 2x will come. 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Why we are using the formula? We found the value of sin 2x and cos 2x in the previous step. What is the value of sin 2x? 2 into 7 by 25. Let me check. 7 by 25. And cos 2x we have found in the previous step as, sin 2x is 24 by 25. That is 2 into 24 by 25 into cos 2x we found as 7 by 25. nothing will get cancelled. If you find the value, you will get as 336 by 625. That is the value of sin 4x. Whenever you get the value, you are asked to find values in this term, try to change that values, try to change that ratio in the form of sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, whatever that you are asked to find out. Now find out. Next question is example 2 of the same page number. Example 2, page number is 9.4. I am reading the question. If tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, sin beta equal to 1 by root 10, prove that alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4, where 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2, 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. I am writing the question. You are given that tan alpha is equal to 1 by 4. That you are given, 1 by 7. And tan sin beta that you are given as, sin beta you are given as 1 by root 10. The condition you are given as 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2 and 0 less than beta less than pi by 2. That means alpha belongs to first quadrant as well as beta belongs to first quadrant. Now you are asked to prove that alpha plus 2 beta is equal to pi by 4. Same type of question we have done. How we can prove that alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4? If we can prove that tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to 1, tan which value of which angle will give you the value of tan equal to 1? That is tan pi by 4. That means you have to find, then by comparing the angles you will get alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. That means you have to find the value of tan alpha tan 2 beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta using the formula tan x plus 5. How we can proceed? Let me rub all these things, otherwise it will be difficult to do. Now first you are given tan alpha, let me write once more. Tan alpha equal to 1 by 7, sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10. Now you can find cos beta. Cos beta is equal to under root of 1 minus sin square beta, that is under root of 1 minus 1 by 10. That means you will get the value as 3 by root 10. I am not going to solve it. That is 9 by 10. That is 3 by root 10. Now you have to find the value of tan beta. Tan beta is sin beta by cos beta. Why you are finding this? Because we have to prove that tan alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 1. Tan 2 beta is 2 tan beta upon 1 minus tan square beta. That is why we are finding tan beta. That is 1 by root 10 upon 3 by root 10. That is equal to 1 by 3. Now tan 2 beta equal to 2 tan beta upon 1 minus tan square beta. That is 2 into 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 9. That will give you 2 by 3 upon 8 by 9. That again by solving you get 2 into 9 upon 3 into 8. You solve it, this becomes 4 times. That is this becomes 3. That is tan 2 beta equal to 3 by 4. Now you have to find the values of tan alpha plus 2 beta. We have found the value of tan 2 beta as well as tan alpha, tan 2 beta as well as tan alpha you are given. Tan 2 beta we found as 3 by 4 for convenience. I am writing here. Now tan alpha plus 2 beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan 2 beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan 2 beta using the formula tan a plus b. Tan alpha is 1 by 7. Tan 2 beta that we found is 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. If you solve this, you will get, that is 4 plus 21. 4 plus 21, LCM is 28. 28 minus 3. Let me check. 28 minus 3. That becomes 21 plus 4, 25 by 25. That is equal to 1. That is, as I told you, if you can prove that tan of any angle equal to 1, then that value become pi by 4. This can be written as, that is tan alpha plus 2 beta is equal to tan pi by 4. By comparing angle, you will get alpha plus 2 beta is equal to pi by 4. Hence the proof. that you are asked to prove. In this question, we have, once more I am saying, first of all, we have to cos beta. In order to find tan beta, you should remember in your minds, print in your mind what you have to prove. You have to prove tan alpha plus 2 beta equal to 1. For that, we have to find the value of tan 2 beta. Tan 2 beta can be found out using the formula 2 tan beta upon 1 minus tan square beta. That is why we have found the value of tan beta first of all and put the values in the formula, and we got alpha plus 2 beta is pi by 4. Next question is type 2. It is given no type and anything. On proving result on and identities based on the formula sin 2x, cos 2x, sin x, cos x, and cos square sin x, cos square x by 2, sin square x by 2. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. That is 2 cos square x minus 1. That is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Sin x, as I told you, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by taking half of the angle. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. Let us start doing question. Example 3. Page number 9.4, same page number. There are a lot of parts, 6 parts. We will do little bit and remaining here to do by yourself. First part is I am reading. Prove that sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x equal to tan 2x. Prove that sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to tan x. You have to prove this. Let us start from left hand side. Left hand side is sin 2x upon 1 plus cos 2x. You know the formula of sin 2x as well as cos 2x. Now 1 plus cos 2x. That is sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, and 1 plus 2 cos 2x is 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Now 2 is getting cancelled, cos x is getting cancelled. Remaining is sin x by cos x, that is equal to tan x. This is the first part. And second part, again, sin 2x, prove that sin 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x cot x. So 1 minus cos 2x formula is 2 sin square x. Then sin x will get cancelled. You will cos x by sin x, the reverse of this one. So that value will be cot x. That you can do by yourself. Third part I am doing. Prove that 1 plus sin 2x, 1 plus sin 2x plus cos 2x whole upon 1 plus sin 2x minus cos 2x is equal to cot x. You have to prove. Now let us start from LHS. This is LHS. Now see, if you combine first and last term, you can use the formula 1 plus cos 2x. Similarly, in the denominator, if you combine first and last term, you can use the formula 1 minus cos 2x. That is, this is just rearrangement. 1 plus cos 2x plus sin 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x plus sin 2x. Now, again, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. You know, and sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. Why? Because we want angle in terms of x only, so that everything 2x should be changed in single term. So angle in single term, that is 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Again 2 sin x cos x. Now from the numerator you can take 2 cos x common. 2 cos x, let me check. From the numerator and denominator you can take 2 cos x common. What is remaining here? Here cos x is remaining, here sin x is remaining. The denominator you can take 2 sin x common. That is sin x is remaining in the first term and cos x is remaining in the second term. Both are getting cancelled. That is, you are getting cos x by sin x, that is cot x, that you are asked to prove, that is equal to RHS. तो इन इस तरह की क्वेश्चन में आपके दिमाग इतने प्रैक्टिस में आपके दिमाग में आना चाहिए कि किस किस टर्म्स को कंपेयर करके आंसर ला सकते हैं, एंड विच फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू यूज फॉर फाइंडिंग द फाइनल रिजल्ट. Next part, third part I have done. Fourth part you can do by yourself. Now I am doing fifth part. Fifth part is a little bit difficult. To prove that cos 2x upon 1 plus sin 2x is equal to tan pi by 4 minus x. That means you have to change the angle in terms of pi by 4. How we can change? Now for that, you know cos 2x is you know cos 2x is equal to 2 cos 4x minus 1. By applying this, we will not get pi by 4 minus x. What we will do? Let me explain. Cos 2x upon 1 plus sin 2x can be written as sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. In order to bring this angle, we have to change like that. Sin pi by 2 minus 2x. Here plus cos and sin are complementary, so that cos pi by 2 minus theta is sin theta. That is cos pi by 2 minus 2x. Now this is of the form you can write. I am writing sin. I am showing you every step. 1 pi by 4. So pi by 2 again. 2 is I am taking common minus x. Why I am writing this way? Because sin 2 theta, you can apply sin 2 theta. Here it is 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2 means pi by 2 half, pi by 4 minus 2x half x. Now to sin this numerator in the form of sin 2 theta, you can apply 2 sin theta cos theta. That is 2 sin pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus x whole upon 2 cos square pi by 4 minus x. These 2 cos and cos are getting cancelled. 2 and 2 are getting cancelled. Remaining is sin pi by 4 minus x whole upon cos pi by 4 minus x. Sin pi by 4 minus x upon cos pi by 4 minus x is tan pi by 4 minus x. So, in this type of question, you have to first of all read the question carefully and understand what you are asked to prove. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले आपको समझना है कि किस तरह के एंगल लाना है, उसके लिए किस तरह का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. This is very important. That is cos theta. We here cos theta is changed as sin pi by 2 minus theta, and again sin theta is changed as cos pi by 2 minus theta. Very important. Do these questions 2-3 times, otherwise you will forget everything. Next part is 6th part also. Same, then also I am doing because it is complementary ratio. Prove that cos x upon 1 plus sin x is equal to, you have to prove that tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Same procedure, you just see, you can easily understand. You have to find angle in terms of pi by 4 and x by 2. Cos theta can be written as sin pi by 2 minus theta. This is LHS. I am starting from LHS, and sin x can be written as cos pi by 2 minus x. Like in the previous step, this can be written as 2 into pi by 4 minus 2x. That pi by 4 minus x by 2. That I am writing once more. Sin 2 into, otherwise you will get confusion. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Just rearrangement. देखिए pi by 2 आ रहा है, x by 2 कट रहा है, x आ रहा है. Again 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Now again applying the formula sin 2x, 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 into cos pi by 4 minus x by 2, 2 sin theta cos theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. That is theta by 2 is pi by 2 is half, pi by 4 x half x by 2. 1 cos is getting cancelled, 2 is getting cancelled. You are getting sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. That is equal to tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. That is you are asked to prove, that is RHS. That means इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में आपको ध्यान रखना है कौन सा एंगल लाना है, उसी के आंसर आपको गिवन रेशियो को चेंज करना है और रिक्वायर्ड फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. This much is question example 3 of page number 9.4. Now let us do example 4 of page number 9.5. Question is little bit difficult. Prove that under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus 2 cos 8x is equal to 2 cos x 0 less than x less than pi by 8. आपको प्रूव करना है अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस अंडर रूट इज गोइंग ऑन. दिस इज देखने में बड़ा क्वेश्चन लगता है, लेकिन दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल. 2 cos 8x, 2 plus 2 cos 8x is equal to, you have to prove it is 2 cos x. You have to prove. And 0 less than x less than pi by 8 you are given. That is not necessary to be seen because that will not affect the question. This is LHS. Now in this type of question we will start opening from this right extreme, that is LHS equal to under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 into 1 plus cos 8x can be written as cos 2 into 4x. Why I am writing this? Because you know that the formula of cos 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Otherwise, first of all, you can take 2 common. After that, you can write this adjustment, but I am writing together. It is under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 2 into 2 cos square 4x. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. That is under root of 2 plus under root of 2 plus under root of 4 cos square 4x. If you take under root sign, you will get square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4x. अंडर रूट से बाहर आता है cos 4x हो जाएगा. Again, now start opening from this right extreme. That is under root of 2 plus 2 into 1 plus cos 4x can be again written as 2 into 2x. Why? Because you can apply the formula 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is under root of 2 plus 2 into 2 cos square 2x. That is under root of 2 plus 2 into this sorry, here one under root is remaining. Here I under root tha, so that becomes this is under root, because one under root we have left but 2 under roots are remaining. That is under root of 2 plus 4 cos square 2x is, if you take square root you get 2 cos 2x. Again you can take 2 common, 2 into 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. That is 2 into 2 cos square x. 2 into 2 cos square x, that is 4 cos square, under root of 4 cos square x. I am writing here under root of 4 cos square x. If you take the LCM, you will get 2 cos x, that you are asked to prove, that is RHS. That means in this type of question, start opening from right extreme corner. राइट एक्सट्रीम कॉर्नर से खोलना भी स्टार्ट करना है, उसके साथ में हर एंगल को 2 के मल्टीपल में लिखना, सो दैट यू कैन apply the formula 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. In this type of question you can find in unsolved part also, that also you do, so that you get clear idea about that one and you will not have any confusion. Next question is example 5, page number 9.6. I am reading the question. Question is prove that cos 4x, this is example 5, cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x. क्वेश्चन मिलते हैं आपको, दिमाग में आना चाहिए इसको cos 2x का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. cos 4x is equal to cos 2 into 2x. cos 2x, what is the formula of cos 2x? There are number of formula, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, cos square x minus sin square x, but it is better to use 1 minus 2 sin square x, that is 2 sin square 2x. But you know that 1 minus sin 2x is sin square 2x is sin 2x whole square. Now you can apply the formula 1 minus 2 into 2 sin x cos x whole square. That is 1 minus 2 into 4, 8 sin square x cos square x. That is the result we are asked to prove. You can expect this question for only 1 mark. Next question is example 6. This question is very important. You can expect this question for 2 marks. I am reading the question. Prove that cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x plus sin y whole square is equal to 4 cos square x plus y by 2. That means you have to find half of the angles. 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Let us start from LHS. आपको लाना है 4 cos square x plus y by 2. Now let us start from LHS. This is, you can open it by applying the formula a plus b whole square, that is equal to cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y, that is first bracket. Second is sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. Now cos square x plus sin square x 1, again 1 plus 2, you can take common cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now again 2 plus 2 into cos cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos A minus B. You can take 2 common, 1 plus cos x minus y, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, it is 2 into 2 cos square, minus आते तो sin आएगा, x minus y by 2, that is 4 cos square x minus y by 2, that you are asked cos, 1 minute let me check sin x, no, this is the question is sin x minus sin y, but we found the question using sin x plus sin y. मैंने क्वेश्चन को sin x plus sin y से किया, तो आप sin x minus sin y करके खुद करना, तो एक और एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन अपने आरडी से हमने निकाल दिया, that is 4 cos square x minus y by 2, that is equal to RHS. In book question it is proved, you are asked to prove 4 cos square x plus y by 2. For that the sign here given is y minus, but we use sign plus, so that this question is new question for you and we have done, so that example, this is not example 6, you can do example 6 as homework. Just changing this is sin x minus sin y, so that this term becomes minus, then this become plus, all term will get cos square x plus y by 2. Next question is example 7, page number 9.6. I am reading the question. This is NCERT exemplar, don't miss it. Prove that sec 8x minus 1 upon sec 4x minus 1 equal to sec tan 8x upon tan 2x. You are asked to prove that sec 8x minus 1 upon sec 4x minus 1 is equal to tan 8x upon tan 2x. Reading the question very carefully. You should not do any question mistake like the previous one. You should not do any sign mistakes. We have to prove that tan 8x upon tan 2x. Let us start from LHS. LHS is this one. And in order to change it to tan, you have to convert in form of cos, that is 1 by cos 8x minus 1 upon 1 by cos 4x minus 1. That is 1 minus cos 8x. I am taking this to numerator, that will be written afterwards, 1 minus cos 4x into cos 4x, numerator denominator ऊपर जाएगा, upon cos 8x. Now see, now 1 minus cos 8x, and you can how we can write this 1 minus cos, it is not given in addition, but I am giving you, upon 1 minus cos 2 into 2x. In order to apply the formula, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x into cos 4x upon cos 8x. That we will do this part afterwards, because we want tan 8x, so that this should not be disturbed. That is, this is 2 sin square 4x upon 2 sin square 2x into cos 4x upon cos 8x. Now you can take 1 sin 4x and cos 4x together to apply sin to theta, that is 2 sin 4x cos 4x into sin 4x is remaining in the denominator, cos 8x is in the denominator. Next term we can split it separately. Next term is 2 sin square 2x. ध्यान से करना है, because what we are to bring, that should be in your mind. 2 sin 4x cos 4x is sin 2 theta, that is sin 2 into 4x upon cos 8x. This is the first term. Second term is sin 4x can be written as 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Sin 2 into sin 4x को किसे लिख सकते हैं? Sin 4x is sin 2 into 2x upon 2 sin square 2x. Now again 1 sin 2x is getting cancelled, it is getting cancelled, that is sin 8x upon cos 8x into next term is cos 2x upon sin 2x. तो इसमें इस स्टेप को बहुत ध्यान रखना है, इसको डायरेक्ट नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला में नहीं ले जाना, 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा लगाना है, एक sin 4x को अलग करके वापस sin 2 थीटा का फॉर्मूला लगाना, that is tan 8x into cot 2x. And but you are asked to convert in the term of tan. Cot can be written as 1 by 10, that is tan 8x upon tan 2x. Tan 2x, 1 by tan 2x is cot 2x, that is equal to RHS. This question is very important. इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले हम सेक को कॉस में चेंज करेंगे, फिर 1 माइनस कॉस टू थीटा का फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट 2 cos sin square 4x में this step is very important. Separate sin 4x into sin 4x and use the formula sin 2 theta. Again apply the formula sin 2 theta, and last cot x can be changed in tan x. This is the question. This question is very much important. Now one more question is given. Example 8. That is today's last question. Last question of today's class. Example 8 I am doing of page number 9.7. This is also NCERT exemplar question. NCERT exemplar question. I am reading the question. Prove that 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8 equal to 1 by 8. 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi odd multiple 7 pi by 8 is equal to 1 by 8. Let us start 1 by 8. Let us start from LHS. LHS से start करने से पहले how we can change 5 pi by 8. 5 pi by 8 can be changed as pi minus let me check. First of all take pi by 8 and 7 pi by 8. 7 pi by 8 can be taken as pi minus pi by 8. Then cos 7 pi by 8 can be written as cos pi minus pi by 8. Pi minus pi by 8 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में? Second, that is negative. That is minus cos pi by 8. Second is cos 5 pi by 8 can be written as cos pi minus 3 pi by 8. Again in the second quadrant it will be minus cos 3 pi by 8. ये फर्स्ट आपको निकालना है. Let this equation together be equation number 1. Now let us start from LHS. LHS से start कर लेते हैं. LHS, that is this is LHS, that is I am taking these two terms together. 1 plus cos pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 8. वो चेंज करने के लिए दिस बिकम्स 1 प्लस cos pi by 8 into 1 plus, as I told you 7 pi by 8 is minus cos pi by 8 from equation 1. Again 1 plus cos 3 pi by 8 into 1 minus cos 3 pi by 8. It is a plus b, a minus b. We will get 1 minus cos square pi by 8 into 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 8. That means if you multiply it by, this is sin square pi by 8, sin square pi by 8, this is sin square 3 pi by 8, this is 8. Now if you multiply it by 2, you can use the formula 2 sin square x. 1 by 2, you have to multiply each term by 2, that is 2 into 2, 4. So that you have to divide it by 2. 2 sin square pi by 8 into 2 sin square 3 pi by 8. You know that 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. This half of this is pi by 4. That is 1 minus cos pi by 4. That is 2 sin square pi by 8. 1 by 4 is coming here. And here 1 minus cos 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. That is 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by root 2. This can be written as 1 minus cos into pi minus pi by 4. This is not given in Adi Sharma. That is 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus cos, second quadrant causes negativity, cos pi by 4. That is 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus 1 by root 2. That is 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8, that is equal to RHS. In this type of question, first of all you have to adjust the angles pi by 8 as well as 7 pi by 8, 3 pi by 8 as 5 pi by 8. After that, applying the formula a square minus b square, change into sin square, then multiply and divide by 2. to use the formula 1 minus cos square x equal to 2 cos square x. This much is solution of today's class. Do all these questions in your notebook. See you again in the next class. Thank you.